Welcome student, myself Dr. Shilpa Bhosle, Assistant Professor of Dempe College of Arts and Science, Miramar, Goa. Program Bachelor of Science, 3rd year, Subject Botany, Semester 5, Course Code BOD 103, Course Title Economic and Medicinal Botany. Title of the unit Popular Medicinal Plants and Plant Drugs. Module name Chief Chemical Constituents and the Uses of Drugs from Alstonia solaris, Datura mitel, Holorina antidysentrica plant. Brief introduction and chief chemical constituents of Alstonia scholaris, Datura mitel, Holorina antidysentrica plants. It is also uses of drugs from Alstonia scholaris, Datura mitel, Holorina antidysentrica plants. From this module, the learning outcomes are to list out the chief chemical constituent of Alstonia scholaris, Datura mitel, Holorina antidysentrica plants. It also points out the uses of drugs from Alstonia scholaris, Datura mitel, Holorina antidysentrica plants. In this module, we are going to discuss 3 important medicinal plants and their chief chemical constituent and their uses in the drugs. The first plant is Alstonia scholaris. In the picture, you can see the Alstonia scholaris plant, which shows in the habit, and it belongs to family Apocynaceae. The common name of this plant is satvin, or also called as blackboard broad tree or devil tree. If you see the trunk, the girth is vast and the tree grows huge. Alstonia scholaris, if you see the plant part which is used as a source for the medicine is the bark and the leaves. In this picture, you can see Alstonia bark where you can see the girth of the plant. Also, in the next picture, you can see the leaves, which both bark and leaves are of medicinal purpose. Here, if you see the chemical constituents of the plant, they are the bark containing alkaloids. In the picture, you can see the latex, the bark showing the latex and the leaves. The other chemical constituents are detamine, acetinine, acetamine and strictamine. These are the main chemical constituent of the plant. Here the uses of the in the drugs, that is Alstonia scholaris leaves and the milky juice of Alstonia scholaris have been used in the treatment of ulcers. The milky juice or the latex is the fluid found in the plants and it can be used in treatment of the ulcers. The bark of the Alstonia scholaris is also used in Ayurvedic medicine to treat fever, malaria, and also troubles in digestion, tumors, asthma, ulcers, and many others. The leaves and the latex are applied externally to the tumors and the treatment. In this picture, you can see Alstonia scholaris bark, where latex is seen and also the leaves. Both are used in the drugs extensively. If you see the next plant is the Datura mitel family Solanaceae. In this slide, you can see the picture of the habit of Datura mitel plant, also commonly known as the Dotra or Datura. It's a common wild plant grown along the roadsides belonging to family Solanaceae. The main part of this plant is the dried leaves and flower tops of the Datura mitel. Here you can see in the picture, you can see the young plants with the leaves flowering top, which is an important component in the medicine. The chief chemical constituents are, it has 0.5% of total alkaloids. It also contains the hyoscine. In this picture, you can see the datura plant and also the habit of the plant with the fruits. In next picture, here you can see the fruit. It also have a small quantity of hydrocyamine and atropines. In this picture, you can see the flowering, the dry seeds in the fruit, the flowers, the leaves, and the flowers. In the drugs where we use the plant, it is antispasmodic and depressant of the central nervous system. Here in the habit, you can see the flowering of the plant, and this plant is also used in the treatment of asthma and cold. It is also been seen in that the plant can be used in the treatment of gastric and duodenal ulcers. Now here, the duodenal ulcers are the peptic ulcers. They are also being cured using datura plant. Atropine has a stimulant action on the central nervous system. So many of the drugs which are available in the form of chemical constituent are isolated from the datura plant. Atropine and hyoscine are used in great extent in the practice to dilate the pupil of the eye. That is, when you have seen related disease of eye can be cured, and it is ophthalmic practice to dilate the eye pupil and can be used. Next is the Halorina enterdycentrica plant. If you see the habit, you can see in the habit the plant which is grown with white color flowers and belonging to the family Apocynaceae. It is commonly known as kurchi or kudo. In this picture, you can see the dry leaves and the bark of the plant. In Halorina enterdycentrica, the dry stem and the mature bark is used to cure various medicinal disorders. The main chemical constituent here are kurchi contain alkaloids. Also, it have halorina amine and haloridine are other less important alkaloids of the drug. Cornicine is the chief constituent. If you see this plant, cornicine is the main brief constituent and used in the industrial purpose for medicine. Other alkaloids are coniamine, conicidine, and dioxyconicidine, and the other alkaloids which plays an important role in the chemical constituent. Now, use of drugs, here if you see, the seeds are very important, which can be used in curing the colic ulcers. If you see in this picture, the seeds which are collected and dried. Later on, the dried seeds can be used in asthma. If we see this plant, it can be used in the treatment of dysentery, and also some of the cornicines, the main chemical constituent is used, and it is very toxic to the unicellular microorganism. Sometimes they directly act on the entamoeba species type of unicellular microorganism. It is also most commonly used in dysentery. These are the reference which are used. Thank you, students.